How to list products on Amazon, Amazon product listing. Whether you're a new seller or just looking to refine your process, this step-by-step guide will help you create effective product listings that can attract more customers and drive sales. Step 1. Create an Amazon seller account. Before you can list products on Amazon, you'll need to create a seller account. Head over to Amazon Seller Central, sign up, and choose between an individual or professional seller plan. The individual plan is great for those just starting out, while the professional plan offers more tools for established sellers. Once you've set up your account, you're ready to start listing products. Step 2. Choose the right product category. Selecting the right product category is crucial. Amazon has a wide range of categories, so make sure you choose the one that best fits your product. This not only helps customers find your products, but also ensures that your listings comply with Amazon's guidelines. Step 3. Create a new product listing. In your Seller Central dashboard, navigate to Inventory and select Add a Product. If your product is unique, click on Create a New Product Listing. You'll need to provide key details like the product title, brand, and manufacturer. Step 4. Optimize your product title. Your product title is one of the most important elements of your listing. It should be clear, descriptive, and include relevant keywords. For example, instead of just writing coffee maker, you could write 12-cup programmable coffee maker with glass carafe, black. This not only helps with SEO, but also provides customers with more information up front. Step 5. Write an effective product description. Next, focus on writing a compelling product description. Highlight the key features, benefits, and unique selling points of your product. Use bullet points for easy readability and include relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Remember, your product description should not just inform but also persuade potential customers to make a purchase. Step 6. Add high-quality images. Images are crucial for a successful Amazon listing. Make sure to upload high-quality photos that clearly show your product from multiple angles. Use at least 1000 by 1000 pixels for the best results. Lifestyle images that show the product in use can also help customers envision how the product will fit into their lives. Step 7. Set your price and inventory. Finally, set a competitive price for your product and add your inventory. Use Amazon's pricing tools to see how your price compares with similar products. Make sure you have enough stock to meet demand, but don't overstock to avoid storage fees. Conclusion. And that's it. You've now successfully listed a product on Amazon. Remember to monitor your listings regularly and make adjustments as needed to stay competitive. With the right strategy, your products will stand out and attract more buyers on the world's largest online marketplace.